mismanagement that states do, I would want the media to ask more meaningful questions of those states as well. Then you'll know what is Revdi and what is not.
क्या आप ये चुनौती देखती हैं? आरबीआई से लेकर प्रधानमंत्री सबने रेवड़ियों पर बहुत कंसर्न जताया है। यहाँ तक आरबीआई ने कहा कि परिस्थितियाँ कई राज्यों में, राजस्थान, पश्चिम बंगाल, बहुत खराब है, इसको रोकना जरूरी है। लेकिन जो एक पार्टी के लिए रेवड़ी है, वो आपकी पार्टी तक आते आते सोशल वेलफेयर स्कीम, कल्याणकारी स्कीम बन जाती है।
Anjana ji, you're as usual trying, and I'm going to do it. This is typical with media, and I don't blame you for it. You do this balancing act. What is Revdi for you is not Revdi for them. Come on. You do not have a budgetary support for some fantastic idea that you throw about. And then once you get the vote, you don't have money to fund that. And then you go about blaming the central government, which has not sought vote with you for the same Revdi. But you want the central government to fund you because you had these fancy baskets of lollipops given for the people. Look at the example, and I'm sitting here to talk politics. Look at the example of Karnataka. A state 1 year ago was doing very well. Global Investor Summit drew the best of people to come and invest in that state because it's a fantastic state, draws excellent talent from all over the country, beautifully endowed, and has the right environment of blend of culture, industry, enterprise, and everything else. Now what is the state of affairs in Karnataka? And who is to blame? And it actually hurts me so much to say, even Bengaluru city doesn't have drinking water. All within a year, you've seen what the Revdi can do. And now you want center to fund your Revdi? And you blame saying center is discriminating? For the mismanagement that states do, I would want the media to ask more meaningful questions of those states as well. Then you'll know what is Revdi and what is not.